These are the main elevators at the RAND building in Oakland, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. These are ThyssenKrupp Aurora attractions. Set of 3. Hit the middle elevator, also hit the loft elevator. Down to garage 3. Here we go down. Marshall. Garage 3. I'm not starting in the first floor because there's a security desk there. Slow door. I don't think the far right elevator comes down here. I'll go up to 6. ThyssenKrupp Electric. Interior up. Elevator 2. Whoa. This thing does not run that great. Is it possibly ISIS too, but I can't say for sure. I'm not 100% sure. Here at 6. Still in the 2000s, probably mid-2000s. Here's a button. This is where RAND is. We'll end down at G, garage 2. And your phone. Basic and nice at the same time. If they're on, yeah, these sound like ISIS 2s, because they sound like they're on morale. I'm not going to garage 1 because there's a garage attendant there. I start on garage 1 because that was the only way down in the garage. Garage 2. Oh, these things run poorly. They almost run like the garage elevators at South Hills Village.